circular path and how much velocity and how much time it is going to take, time period. So many things they are going to ask. We will see all those. Now, what is the force acting on charge? F bar is equal to Q into V bar cross B bar. So F is equal to QVB sin theta. Now, what is the angle between V and B? We said here 90 degrees. Therefore, F is equal to QVB. This is only maximum force. Now, whenever object is moving in circular path, which force is required to move object in circular path means centripetal force. Therefore, this equation should be equal to centripetal force. Again, what is centripetal force equation? In laws of motion lesson we discussed mv square by r equal to qvb. Otherwise, mv square by mr omega square. So, centripetal force total you will be having three equations. So, mr omega square equal to qvb. Otherwise, mv omega equal to qvb. So, out of these three, any equation you can take depending on what they are asking. So, if they are asking radius, from this r is equal to, one v will be cancelled, r is equal to mv by bq. So, radius of this circular path is going to be mv by bq. So, what is the product of mass and velocity in laws of motion? Momentum by bq. And what is the relation between kinetic energy and momentum in work energy power? So, kinetic energy equal to P square by 2m. Then what is P square? 2m kinetic energy. What is P? Root 2m kinetic energy. Therefore, root 2m kinetic energy by bq. So, see how many equations are getting from this equation. So, this is the radius of the path followed and in terms of momentum, kinetic energy, velocity. Next, what is the time taken to complete one revolution in this? So, in first year classes, so many times we discussed velocity equal to distance by time. What is the distance for one complete path? 2 pi r. What is the time we will call? Time period. Therefore, time period is 2 pi r by v. So, 2 pi by v. Now, what is the radius we got? So, total three equation, any equation you can use, mv by v. Therefore, t is equal to 2 pi m by bq. So, time period. Once you got time period, you will get frequency. So, what is the frequency means? Reciprocal of time period. So, bq by 2 pi m. So, if you observe, time period is not depending on velocity, but radius is depending on velocity, mass, magnetic field, charge. So, on these equations,